Hello and welcome back to the next video of Jack's Stocks Picks. If you're new here, my name is Jack. So today we are going to be taking a look at NIO, which is a Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer. So before we get into looking at NIO, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date on any future stocks that we may look at. Also, if you want free stocks, there's a link down below in my description. That will send you a link to Trading 212 where they will give you a free stock for signing up with them. So if we take a look at NIO stock now, we can see that they are now trading at 21.18, which is down from their highs on Friday, which was at 22.20. So you may be asking, what is NIO? I've never heard of NIO. Well, NIO is a Chinese auto manufacturer of electric vehicles. They were set up in 2018. We'll take a look at their cars here now. So you can see here their EC6, which is a crossover vehicle. All they have out now is SUVs or crossovers, but they are branching into other sectors such as sports cars, and they are in Formula E also. So this is their ES8, their ES6 here, and we can get their Formula E car up here. So this is NIO's Formula E car, and Formula E is obviously massive now. It's grown in popularity year on year. And this is their sports car, their NIO EP9. So what makes their EP9 special is the fact that they're claiming it to be the world's fastest electric vehicle, going from 0 to 200 km/h in 7.1 seconds. So this makes it very competitive to the likes of the Tesla Roadster, the Rimac Concept 1, and then obviously the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. So they're branching into a sector that is pretty much untapped. So what NIO has going for it that I don't think any other EV manufacturers would have is the fact that they have NIO Power, and this is basically a battery swapping technology. So I can see this being used in something such as fleet management, where you'd have a load of postal vans or delivery vans and you need that extra range, but you just go back to your depot, you swap out your battery. NIO claims to have a battery swap time of just 3 minutes, and that will then get you your extra 500 km range. Since NIO is such a new company, I think there's a lot of growth potential with this company. They've also just released news that they are going to start launching autonomous driving from October onwards. So one thing Chinese auto manufacturers have struggled with is gaining traction in the EU and American markets. But I think with NIO, it's going to be the first car that we will see in EU and North American markets, simply for the fact that they are an innovator, one of the first to markets. Obviously you have Tesla, but if NIO can have smaller operating costs due to wages, etc., I think they have a really strong proposition to get into these markets, simply by the fact that they can have a lot cheaper cars. So we've had some recent massive news from NIO, and this is the fact that they've set quarterly and monthly sales records. You can see here that they've delivered 4,708 vehicles in September, which is an increase of 133% year over year. That makes a total of 12,206 vehicles delivered in the third quarter, which is an increase of 154% year over year. So this is very promising for someone like us that are looking to invest in this stock. Again, as we mentioned previously with their NIO Power, they have released a statement saying that they've completed over 800,000 battery swaps. So of course we've all heard the news over this man here. I think this is going to inflict a slight market sell-off over the coming weeks, which is going to create massive buying opportunities for any stocks we are interested in. So I think NIO is one to keep an eye out on. I think we can start seeing lower prices than what we are currently at. So if you look at CNN Business, we can see that 16 analysts have offered their insight into NIO stock. Over a 12-month period, they believe that NIO can grow to, on average, $121 per stock, which is a 472% increase. So personally, I only have one stock in NIO, which I bought back around May. It was in the $3 to $4 range. I hadn't done any research into this company, but obviously now I'm doing more and more research in this company. I think I want to start buying a lot more stock in this company, especially with that analyst prediction. So guys, that concludes this video. I'd like to thank you for staying to the end. be sure to like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments what you think of this stock. Is it a buy for you?